Taoiseach, the programme last night was a huge expose of how people can call themselves psychologists and practice in private sector. Barry O'Kelly could interview mothers of children with special needs because they are not bound by the camera rule until mothers whose children, unlike mothers whose children are taken into state care by Taoiseach, who are victims of these charlatans operating in the family law courts. Will you now, and we saw how many quack psychologists acted as expert witnesses in the family law courts. Actually, in 2014, one of them reported on a family law case and whether a child should be removed from the family or not. Your own colleague, Deputy Bernard Drucken, has raised this several times here about these psychologists operating in the family law courts, which has led to the arrest and indeed imprisonment of some mothers and Gardai removing children from schools. I mean, when are we going to, on foot of this, when are we going to deal with this serious problem that we have with, first of all, the quack psychologists, but more importantly, that evidence given by these people can impact hugely on family and children and mothers and babies. And it's hugely traumatic and it can't be allowed to carry on.
For obvious reasons, I'm not going to comment on evidence given in court, but in relation to the issue you raise on regulating the psychology profession, we do agree that it is desirable that it should be regulated. Since CORA has been established, we've added a new profession pretty much every year. In the past, very few professions were regulated, titles protected. We've changed that over the course of the past 10 years. In relation to psychology, it isn't straightforward. It's complicated by the fact that there isn't a common education pathway. There are no common standards for entry to the profession. Public consultation in 2020 revealed significant challenges and no consensus, but the Minister has not given up on this. He wrote to the Psychologist Registration Board on this back in August, and they have replied to him only last Friday, and he is going to consider those views with the goal of advancing this work as soon as it can be done.